Yeah. Yeah.
My boys, look what car are we getting new wheels for. This car's getting new wheels, boys. My boys, we are putting a wheel on the car. A new wheel. Not a guarantee, but we want to see if it fits. We never do the pricing and whatnot, and we'll see what we go for. But hopefully, go our way, get a new wheel for the 46. Change the look of things. So, yeah. We're gonna buy new tires. We're gonna buy a new engine. Make no sense to me. So yeah. We're gonna go down to 18. From a 19 we're going down to 18. So the car's gonna look yelling it. So we're gonna say. But for now, I'll get you guys once they get going. There you have it, my boys. Oh, this looks sick. Oh, this looks mental. What the hell? And it's because of this guy. It's this guy's fault. No. Making me do naughty things. The chance.
Yes.
What are we doing today?
What are we doing? You guys see where we are? I don't think you guys see where we are. So that's what we're doing.
For what car is it? What car is it?
Black Magic. You see, we have some black home for the Black Magic.
You think it will match?
My boy's gonna look hard. But Tegan sent me the pictures yesterday, last night. The car looks mad. So now with the tires on, like that's just the only thing that you want to see.
Yeah.
How many minutes until you here, boy? How long until you here, doggy?
How long is your fucking
This guy. You full of nonsense, boy.
damn on my way, boy?
Alright, boy. See you just now, boy.
Show me the whip. Show me the whip.
Alright, boy.
I wanna see the whip.
There's the whip, boy.
Yeah, where's the fucking wheel?
Nah, dog. Come through. You will see the wheel, dog. What's the problem, boy? I see you now, boy.
Yeah, nigga.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, bro.
Bye, boy.
What do you think of the wheel, bro?
Looks sick, bro. Yeah. Very nice.
You think it's gonna sit on the car?
Huh?
You think it's gonna sit nice on the car?
I wanna see how it looks when it's lowered, like on the ground. But it looks nice so far.
Yeah.
I'm sure it will, bro.
But now you're looking for one for you.
Hmm?
I'll look for one for you. Bro. Hi, this boy.
It is him. I thought so.
We are at Wheel46, my boy. Wheel46 does deliver, my boys. I will tell you that for free. Like, no doubt about it. But now, obviously, now it begs the big question. Do we go ahead and bag the E46? And I'm not sure because I'm still on coilovers. And with this setup, because it's down to 18, like you guys saw in the previous clips, it's down to 18. And obviously now we're gonna have to coil it down. But coiling it down means the car's gonna be low. And one thing I'm afraid of is damaging the car underneath, damaging the car left, right and center. So I have all the boys here today. I have Jagger here. I have Jose here. And I have Uncle Snap Puchins here. Come and look at it from this side. You think we must show them? Already saw it, but I never saw it on the car sitting down. So yeah, don't show them. But looks mental. I'm just not used to the small wheels. Like I'm not used to it. But maybe we'll get used to it. Maybe we'll bake the car. Maybe we'll coil it out to the max.
Okay, sorry.
I didn't see anything.
You saw everything.
I didn't see anything.
You saw everything.
Have you looked?
Why some points are green?
When you look.
What's up, boy?
You want me to show him? I'm like, nah. Until you come and see it yourself.
Did you hear that? It was nice. Moi boy.
Very cute.
How about your guy?
I'm guy for 36.
The rim. This one.
This one.
Hi, this guy.
Give me 50,000.
50 billion thousand.
50 billion.
Just for the rim, not the tire.
Nice, bro.
For
What's
the tire is another 25.
Why?
You can.
YouTube protection guidelines.
I don't have a DJ.
I want to do clean.
Just give me
I want to see it.
Yeah, know I'm sturdy like a Millie Rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller knockers. Money in my pocket, don't call me a money pocket. Engine get to rocket, it sound like a thunder rocket. Yeah, I still love my baby even when it's toxic. Crazy like she Britney, but no, she don't shade the knock. Russell Wilson way I get low and stay in the pocket. I get paid and do my dance like a touchdown. Yeah, I can't do no time, don't leave that gun around. In my teens, we were acting up and running around. Now we're grown, still get to it if it's necessary. On the ground from January to January. Never met nobody who retired when they were young. So I guess I gotta get it to the cemetery. Getting paid just for rapping is fun. I lit up around a month in every February. Told him side, no electric. Yeah, it's getting hectic. 777. 777. Yeah.
show me there.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I must be there on the camera. There.
Yeah.
Ask this guy with the with the DJI chip. You want that thing, Baba? It must be in the car every time.
Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle. Way up. Wait a minute. Work hard for the car, so that's why it's all tinted. Wait a minute. Had a real late night, woke up with my head spinning out in Nashville. It's been mad real. I need sunglasses, I need Advil.